Okay, guys, as you can see, did not soak water. Okay, guys, here is the beans breaded with pepper, onions, and crayfish. Everything is here. So we are going in with a little bit of salt. You know, beans don't need more salt. So after mixing it, you can test it if there is salt. So we are using one normal, guys. You have to mix it. You have to break it. Breaking it, mix it together, guys. This is how you mix it together. You know, when I was breading it, I used water to bread it. That is why you can see it's very light like this. So guys, after mixing it together, go in with your hot water. So this is the water I used to wet the fish. So it's not too much. I will have it. Mix it together. So if you breaded yours without no water, you can use a lot of water to mix it. Cover it for a little minute. After putting your hot water, you need to cover it. But I use a little water. Okay, guys. So we have to mix it again. Turn it together. You can see it's light. Let us taste if there is salt. Then add a little pitch. So guys, here is the fish I'm using. I break it. I boil it and I break it before using it. This is it. English. I will also add a little crayfish. Don't forget I blended it with a crayfish before. So I added a little because I don't want to use more than this. Mix it together. This mama is going to be yummy. Using it to tie it, so I use it 17. So guys, all we need to do now, because I want to make a granite oil and red oil mama, so I have to divide it into two. It's very wet. So I have to divide it, guys. I'll put some here. One is for red oil, one is for granite oil. It's okay like this. So I'm going to add granite oil to this one. So I did not put the granite oil. If you like, you can put it for fire before using it. So after adding the granite oil, mix it. Mix it together. Make sure you mix it so that everything will enter inside. So you can see I've done mixing the granite oil. So let's mix the red oil. So guys, after the oil, I hot it for fire before using it. You know, the red oil we see over here have to some scent, so I have to toast it small before using it. Mix it. It's going to add. So that's oil we catch it. Wow, it's really sweet. Now it's already mixed. So guys, I'm using this lalot to try this. I'm using lalot to try this. This is not too strong. So we tie it to too strong. This is how I will tie all of them, guys. So this is the remaining one for the groundnut oil. So before we tie that one, let's do the red oil. So if half remain for this one, remain for this one, we will mix it together. Okay. Don't forget. a tiny 2 spoon. Now this one will take test. Red oil and not oil mixed together, mama. Here is it. So guys, here is the pot we are making using of. So as you can see, I have cover inside, so I'll put it under the pot because I don't want this thing to stick under the pot. That is why I'm putting that cover pot inside and I added water. So I will use this thing to cover the corner. Can you see that? This is the way I will cover it. Water will not enter the marmite and the marmite will not run. It will not stick under the pot. So I added some water in it. Same size. It's covered. So let's go in with the marmite. So we have 10.5 marmite here. I don't want to use one for today. Every time we use it for today, so I will still cover it. Cover it. So I want to add water later. I'll add water from this side. Okay, it's time to cook this. Okay guys, wait for the results. Okay guys, let's check our food. I'm off the gas already. The mama is ready. So we have to bring it down. Leave it to cool down. As you can see, it's already done. So I have small one inside. Let me see if I can see it here. So the mama is already done. So let me bring it over. Okay guys, we are going to be keeping it here to cool down. As you can see, it's already done. See the oil. This one is very big. So since it's small one, we are going to be testing this. Okay guys, as you can see, did not soak water and no bubbles. No bubbles. And you can easily wash your pots. You can easily wash your pots. Guys, share this video. Make it carry. This is it. Guys, it's very yummy. It's very, very yummy. I have to wait for it to cool down before eating, guys. Share this video. Love you all.